Normally you should clean that, but I mean, Chloe, germs aren't that bad. What are you doing? Hello, everybody. All right. We're a little bit tired today. We just got back from our first ever camping trip as a family.
Yay.
It was
Amazing.
intense. It was brilliant, and actually I really like it if you guys want to see maybe like some camping recipe videos. Now that we've done like a camping experience as a family, I'd kind of like to go and build a tent and do some camping recipes. That'd be cool, right?
Yeah.
So as we went camping, you'll see today, look, we got no dogs. They're being looked after by our relatives. Chloe's a little bit tired, aren't you? You enjoyed the great outdoors a little bit too much, didn't you?
Yes.
Don't worry, we're going to power through, and you need a little bit of a sweet cook energy boost. We're going to make some churro pancakes. Do you know what churros are?
No.
I'm glad you asked, because they are kind of like donut sticks normally that you pipe. And someone actually messaged me a while ago saying, Barrett, is there a way of making churros without piping them? There is. We're going to do churro pancakes. They're rolled in cinnamon sugar, and they are delicious. They're normally dunked in chocolate. We're going to drizzle them in chocolate. You're going to love it, Chloe. But I gave you guys, particularly the followers on Twitter, a choice. Look, here is a poll. No. I asked you guys, do you want me to make the churro pancakes, or do you want me to make the one-pot sausage pasta, which is actually stonking. Literally takes about 10 minutes. Maybe I'll show you that another time. What do you think?
Sausage pasta.
She wants the pasta. Some of you guys were like, do it together, but I couldn't really work out a way to go, hi, this is my recipe video on sausage pasta and churro. It just wouldn't. But anyhow, this is going to be easy peasy. In fact, the first thing we're going to do, Chloe, in fact, you're going to do it, is make the chocolate sauce. Is that exciting?
Chocolate.
All right, Pam and Kid eating the chocolate. What are you doing?
Taste testing.
All right, this is 200 grams of dark chocolate, okay? In the background there, we have an array of other ingredients to add to that pan, Chloe. All right? All right?
Okay.
Yeah? First one is golden syrup. We have like loads of this in the house. I need 3 tablespoons of that, okay? So I'll give 3 good squeezes out of that bottle, okay? 1, 2, 3. If you can't get corn syrup, then what could you use, Chloe?
Golden syrup.
No, if you... Oh, yeah. Some vanilla extract. We'll need this in a minute anyway for something else. For the main churro stuff.
You need it now.
Yeah, do a little pour of that in there.
Okay.
Bit more than a little pour, but a pour. There we go. That's nice. We're also going to add in... What is that, Chloe?
100 kilograms.
No, milliliters. Not kilograms.
Of milk.
Yes. Right, you need about 1/3 of that, okay? So you need about 100... Don't spoon it, mate. Just pour it. Yes. That's enough. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's maybe a little bit too much. That's halfway. You only needed about 1/3 of that, which is 100 ml, but it should be all right. What we can do now is like an adult-y step. There you go. So the good thing is we can put this on a low flame and stir it from time to time, but then get it melted, keep it warm, but then reheat it if it cools. Look. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. The heck are you doing with that bowl on your head? That is gorgeous. Well, I'm going to take that off the heat and we'll come back to that.
Oh, great.
Look, I'll bring it over. Don't touch the pan, look. Look how cool that is. This is an emotional moment for me. The first time, Chloe, using this mixing bowl. Huh?
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
And it's the second.
When did we use this?
I'm in the keto recipe.
The keto ones.
Yeah.
No, we didn't, did
We
we?
did.
Making memories. Huh? Your nose. Normally you should clean that, but I mean, Chloe, germs aren't that bad. Are you cleaning it, are you? Right. So in here, all the dry ingredients are going in first, and then we'll add the wet. We are going to definitely wash this bowl now. All right, Chloe. See that flour?
Yeah.
Stick it in this bigger bowl. This is some baking powder in some sachets. Dip them in, Chloe. So we have got 2 teaspoons of that. What you've got there is whoa, 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 whoa. That's way too much. Actually, just dump it in. Just dump it in. Yes. You don't need to do any more now.
I only need like about a centimetre more.
Centimetre more. All right. Well, that's going to be very, very sweet now.
Yeah.
What's that? Don't you like cinnamon?
The smell.
You need a little shimmy of that, okay? Just give it a little shake. No, don't shake it in the air. You've got to shake it towards the bowl. It's not like, yay! Yep, that's enough. Good. Education.
I'm so sorry to you.
The last dry ingredient that's going in is salt. And normally I do the Salt Bay thing. Whoops. But we've got, obviously, Boston in salt form today. So he's still here, right? He's probably loving having his holiday. So we're going to give a couple of shakes of Boston salt in there, all right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, that's plenty. Making it into a savoury dish. All right, that is all the dry ingredients. Let's mix it up. So we've got the dry, and this is the wet. The wet.
The wet.
We're going to need some milk. Some more milk. Chloe, get that in there. Good girl. Nice. We're going to need some sour cream. We're going to need about half that tub, okay? Can you squeeze that in?
Oh.
Don't need a spoon, just squeeze it in. Bit more. That's enough. Oh, gee! You okay?
Yeah.
Oh, good work, mate.
Oh,
You got some shell?
quite a few.
Oh, don't worry. Right, it's got a little bit of shell in there, but I think I've shown you this trick quite a few times. Just scoop it out with a little bit of egg shell.
No.
What? What do you mean no? I just did. It worked. No, that gets the yolk apart. You want both, mate. Stop playing with gadgets. Anyhow, while she's doing that, these go in there. Like that. And with that all in there, once that's mixed together, which you're going to do, that'll be it all done.
I didn't know you added the eggs in.
Yeah, I did. Help you out.
Without me.
That's it, girl. Go for it. Because you can see little bits of flour hiding in the bottom. Get it all one consistent mix, okay? Go for it. There's a couple of large lumps in there, so we just upgraded to a whisk. Can you whisk now?
Wait, watch me then.
That is good whisking, Chloe. Why the heck have you got that on your head now? Look at Homer, he's missing it.
I'm cheeky.
You are cheeky. You want to know the easiest recipe in the world? Cinnamon sugar. You basically take a bowl, 100 grams of sugar. Cinnamon. Just a shimmy. See that? Mix it together. And you got cinnamon sugar. That's it. How cool is that, Chloe?
Cool.
Well, that looks good for me. How's your whisking, all right? All right. The most important thing, Chloe, what are you laughing at? You must not have any of the chocolate sauce off camera, okay? Do not, I repeat, do not be tempted, all right? There you go. Give me a kiss. Are you doing the floss? Okay, that's fine. It's okay because this next bit is where we're going to fry it anyway, a bit of the adult step. So we're going to fry it up in some butter. Once it starts to foam and bubble gently, put it on a low heat and that's when you can fry it. Or if you want, you could use oil. You don't have to use a pancake pan like what we're going to use, do you, Chloe? That's unicorns, oh my gosh. You could just use a standard frying pan if you wish. I've put the batter in a jug as well to make this step a bit easier, but we'll just get that around. Woohoo! You see how it's gently bubbling like that? Nice. Right, in that goes. It's going to add some naughty, nutty flavour to it, doing it in the butter. Right, we'll have a little check under here. Oh yes, we've got golden colour. Scoopy scoop. Over. Nice. Here we go. In it goes. Boom. Right. Yeah. Let's just flip it over. Can you turn it over? Yeah, I'll do it. Watch out. Here we go. Whoa. There you go. You get your sugar on.
It tastes really cinnamony.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't show that at all. So we're just getting it in there. Flipping it round in the cinnamon sugar.
Now we're going to dip it in the chocolate.
Now we're going to make loads of them and then we're going to cover it in sauce. Oh yeah. Alright, so you kind of get the idea now. We're melting up the butter and then pouring that batter straight into it like so. There you go, Chloe, look. There's our second one. Huh?
How many are we making?
The hot owl. We're going to make 1 million.
No, we're not.
How many?
5.
5. Okay, that's more sensible. Alright, update. I've just done all of those pancakes. Got loads out of the mix. little bit dangerous for Chloe, so she's kind of been in here chilling out. Aren't you, mate?
Yeah.
Behold your pancakes. We made, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See, look, stonking. I've just warmed up the sauce that Chloe's going to pour on it now. If you wanted to make them like super fluffy, you could add self-raising flour, a bit more baking powder and bicarb soda, right?
Yeah.
But you like them thin. You're going to pour it on?
Yeah.
All right, hang on a sec. Let's get a nice close-up. Up, a bit higher. About there. Get a pour on it. There you go. A bit higher. Keep going. Keep going. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. So we're getting the chocolate sauce on, and it should, you can see, start to run off the sides, hopefully. See, like that. You want it running off, mate, like that. That is very naughty. So that's the equivalent of where you would dunk it normally. Oh, is that looking good, Chloe?
Yeah.
What do you mean no one's going to have that one? That's like the naughtiest one. Everyone's going to want that one, aren't they?
I don't want to be naughty.
Don't you?
You are going to be naughty.
Okay. If you insist. So whilst we tuck into this, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Oh my gosh. For regular recipes each week. Sometimes live cook-alongs. Did you reach your mouth? I'm in a food coma. Oh my gosh. You're going for the chocolate. You don't want the chocolate one. Oh. They're still warm. There's the cinnamon on it. It's got a really nice light texture. Do you like it?
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 5 billion, how much do you like it?
5.
5?
I remember saying that. You asked me that when I was little.
You are little still.
Yeah, but I meant when I was like about a baby. I was about
Oh,
2.
these are really naughty. There's a lot of cinnamon on there. Cinnamon sugar's got that kick. The sauce is rich. It's naughty, but it's a nice sort of pops, isn't it? Like a contrast between the two textures and flavours. Yeah. Thanks, Chloe, for helping me out today.
You're welcome.
You're just fingers now, are you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, brilliant. If you do try this recipe, send us a picture on social media. Any recipes you want to see, let us know down below. Other than that, stay stonking, and we'll see you next time. Right, Chloe?
Yeah. And now we're going to call Phoebe and Mummy in
Are we?
to try them.
Go get them then.
Mummy!
Do the sauce, do you, Phoebes?
Yeah.
Go on then. Oh,
Wow.
I think I made too much sauce, actually.
I think you might.
Got loads left over.
There's some in the microwave.
Can make truffles with that, actually.
Yeah.
Lovely. Too hard.
Well, I think you've had quite enough now. Mrs. B. Boom.
Oh wow.
You like it?
Yeah, amazing.
Try the chocolate. Yum.
Oh my goodness
Right.
me.
Okay, it's portion control, but there's 4 of us, but you know, there's still 11 pancakes there, so enjoy them. Looks like these guys are.
And you.
And as we leave the Lewis household, we will leave the girls surrounding the carcass.
With the pancakes.
Goodbye.
Check your level, player. No matter what your style, the kitchen's for me. Simon's moustache, goatee, maybe all 3.
What's that?
My arm is covered in flour. That's a whole pint of bacon.
You alright?
Yeah.
Don't know where she gets it from.
You.